It is now 7:50, and Betsy is here at the ball game. You stayed for the whole game, right? Pretty much?
I still have my hand warmers.
Still trying to warm up.
Not yet quite let them go. Yeah, it was definitely chilly. And I got to tell you, it was the people in the outfield and in the upper decks that took that wind in the face the entire time. It was brutal. And it was fun, too, to talk to the guys who were playing the outfield, because I was like, hey, just FYI. And they were really interested in how that's going to affect the ball. And the ball did carry a little weird today. So as far as the rest of the day goes and into the overnight, there you see it. The temperatures are going to fade back into the 20s. We have clouds. We have a few snow showers that could come through, but we're also going to see some sun peaks as we get into the start of the day tomorrow. We have a frontal boundary that's been dropping through northern Ohio, and on the backside of that, cold air is moving in at the same time. And this is the real clincher out of this whole thing. Not only do we have that front, but above the surface, in the middle layers of the atmosphere, we have some wind that is absolutely screaming overhead, and that helps to lift the air underneath it. So that's why we have all these showers that are spreading from west to east across northern Ohio, because this lift is taking place from the middle part of the atmosphere. It took a while for things to get started, but you can definitely see we are still dealing with some of these light rain and snow showers. We stopped the picture. You can see the definition of where that transition takes place. And I will tell you, we had a few drip drops in downtown Cleveland. It was rain that fell, but as far as the algorithms and the computers that run the Doppler are going, they're indicating some snow. So we may be seeing some wet snowflakes out to the east. Mayfield Heights, there's supposed to be a picture popping up here at some point that shows the wet roadways that are out that way, just right out there off of 271. Canton, same thing. We're supposed to be showing some wet roadways. The pictures are not populating, unfortunately, but we are getting some light rain showers down around the Canton area, and then farther down to the southwest into the Ashland area. We're seeing dry pavement, believe it or not, but there are some light snow showers showing up on the radar. All of us have dealt with wind, and lots of it through the day today. Winds sustained out of the west, generally speaking, anywhere from 10 to 20 to 25 miles per hour. We've had gusts over 30 miles per hour at times. That really impacted the baseball today. It also really impacted the baseball fans today, because it certainly felt brutal. Lots of hot chocolate and coffee sales going on in Progressive Field, and other beverages too, as always. Temperatures are in the mid-30s. Wind chills are in the mid-20s, and that's really the way things are going to go as we go through the night. Cold air is here. It's not going anywhere anytime soon, and I know there's a lot of people that are very concerned that we have not yet had any heat. That is kind of in the distance, but for right now, we're just dealing with this rain and snow. Look what's coming on the backside, though. That would be some lake effect, and that lake effect will kind of hang on as we go through the night. But for tomorrow, in your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, gradually clearing skies will be the rule. Temperatures only in the mid-30s. So if you're going to tomorrow's game, it's going to be a lot like today. And Sunday's game, it's going to be a lot like today, too. Temperatures in the 30s, but we're going to see the sunshine. So there's that. We have chances for rain and snow back on Monday and Tuesday. And then next week, finally, there's your warmer temperatures, a lot more seasonable with highs in the 50s.
Get the hand warmers ready, I guess, right?
Finally. Thanks, Betsy.
Yep.